In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam API key. We'll walk through rotating your Steam Web API key safely, so your apps keep running smoothly and your account stays secure. Start by logging into your Steam account on the official Steam website. Before you make any changes, take a moment to identify every app, bot, server, or integration that currently uses your Steam Web API key. Make a quick list and let anyone who relies on those tools know you'll be rotating the key, so they're ready to update credentials and avoid unexpected downtime. While you're here, make sure Steam Guard, Steam's two-factor authentication, is enabled. It's a simple way to add a strong layer of security to your account. Next, open your browser and head to steamcommunity.com dev-api-key. Sign in again if prompted. On this page, you'll see details for your existing Steam Web API key, including the domain name associated with it. That domain field can be a website, a server IP, or even localhost for local development. It's just Steam's way of recording the intended context for your key. When you're ready, revoke the old key. Click Revoke My Steam Web API key and confirm. This immediately invalidates the current key, so any service still using it will stop authenticating until you update it. If your apps are live, it's a good idea to pause or put them into a maintenance window right before this click to avoid error spikes. With the old key removed, generate a fresh one. Click Register New Key, enter a domain name that fits your use case, your production domain, your server's IP, or localhost for local testing. Agree to the Steam Web API terms, and select Register. Steam will issue a new key on this page. Copy it right away and store it securely, ideally in a password manager or your secrets vault. Treat it like a password. Avoid pasting it into chats, emails, or code repositories. Now update the key in every connected app or service you listed earlier. Replace the old value with the new one, save your configuration, and bring services back online. As you update each tool, watch for authentication messages or connection errors and confirm they can reach Steam as expected. If something still references the old key, correct that reference and save again. That's it. You've safely rotated your Steam Web API key, protected access to your account, and kept your integrations running with minimal disruption. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.